Welcome to the Rich, Young, and African YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing 5 budgeting mistakes to avoid. But first, I need to highlight that even with the best intentions, people can make budgeting mistakes that hurt their finances. This can lead to other unintended problems like overspending, missed investment opportunities, or even emotional stress. Let's dive into the 5 budgeting mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, not tracking expenses. Before you set out to do your budget, you need to first track where your money is going. Not knowing where your money is going leads to overspending, missed savings opportunities, and unchecked debt. It derails financial goals by leaving you unprepared for emergencies, unable to invest, and unaware of wasteful habits, making it harder to build wealth or achieve long-term objectives. If you are in debt and struggling to break free, grab my free debt repayment template to aid you in paying back your debt by subscribing to my newsletter at jp@2ae.com/newsletter. If you need further assistance using the template, you can purchase my course to aid you. Links are in the description and comment section. Mistake number 2, being too restrictive. Flexibility in budgeting is crucial to avoid burnout because it allows you to adapt to unexpected expenses or changes in priorities without feeling restricted. A rigid budget can lead to frustration and quitting, while a flexible one keeps you motivated and on track towards your financial goal. Mistake number 3, not accounting for irregular expenses. Planning for annual or quarterly expenses is essential to avoid financial surprises and prevent derailing your monthly budget. By setting aside small amounts regularly, you can cover costs like rent, insurance, or taxes without resorting to debt or dipping into your savings. It ensures smoother cash flow and better financial stability. Mistake number 4, forgetting to adjust the budget. Regularly reviewing and updating your budget is essential because life changes. Income, expenses, and priorities shift over time. Keeping your budget current ensures it aligns with your goals, helps you adapt to new circumstances, and prevents overspending or missed opportunities to save and invest. You can get my free budgeting template by joining my newsletter at jp@2ae.com/newsletter. Should you need further assistance on how to do budgeting, you can purchase my courses on budgeting. Links are in the description and comment section. Mistake number 5, not prioritizing savings. In my book, Rich, Young, and African, I talked about the importance of savings. Savings should be a priority in your budget, not an afterthought, because it builds financial security and helps achieve long-term goals. By allocating a set amount of savings upfront, you ensure consistent progress towards emergencies, investments, and future plans, instead of relying on leftover money that may never come. Avoiding these mistakes will help you succeed in budgeting and reaching your financial goals. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, visit jp@2ae.com/book for more information about my book, Rich, Young, and African, a practical guide to wealth creation.